Good morning, YouTube, and welcome to my home office. This morning I wanted to discuss the upgrade that I just installed on my Cr-10 3D printer. So I've been doing a lot of printing in PLA with no problem whatsoever. And then I started messing around with PETG and was having problems with curling, and did some reading on the internet and came to the conclusion that the heat bed that comes with the Cr-10 is not adequate. So I went out and got the AC heat bed that everybody says is so great. I thought I would try that upgrade. And after I was done with the install, I did my first test and came to the discovery that the heating of the bed was not uniform. So anyhow, I want to pull out my FLIR and heat it up and see what we get. And we're back. My apologies. My Akita heard me talking to myself up there and started barking, and I had to go have a word with her. Anyhow, so here's my Cr-10 with the Keenovo heat pad installed, and it's currently ice cold, as you can see, 22 degrees, which is what the thermistor is reporting on the Cr-10 screen. So we're going to go ahead and preheat the bed. We'll start at a lower temperature. We'll start at a PLA temperature. Let's see. Preheat PLA, preheat PLA bed. And here we go. And you can see from the screen that things are starting to warm up, although not very uniformly. And we're getting cold corners. And in the back here we have a cold spot. I'm sure in a few minutes that cold spot will go away. The thermistor reports 60 degrees Celsius. However, the FLIR is only seeing about 46 degrees Celsius. And as you can see, the heat pad does not heat the bed uniformly. A lot of cold corners. And we're up to 49 now. I suspect that the metal is playing as an insulator to the pad and will catch up at some point. But this goes to show that it's probably a good idea to not start the print job immediately and give the system, or give the heater a chance to get the actual plate up to the expected temperatures. So let's go ahead and take it up to 100 degrees as if we were to do ABS. Preheat ABS bed. Okay, now we're taking it up to 100. And you can see it climbing, if you can see the numbers on there. I'll try and inlay the video that I'm recording on the FLIR so you can see the whole thing. But as you can see, the corners are still cold, even at 100 degrees. The Creality thermos or the readout on the printer says that we're up to 93 degrees and still climbing rather quickly to 100, which is nice, but this is not a perfect solution apparently, because the edges or the corners of the pad and even some of the edges are not true, and then it seems that the center is the hottest. So yeah, if you were going to be printing a small ABS part, it would probably stick best down the center there. And out on the edges, you might have some curling or some sort of problem with it not staying stuck down. Curious if this is a rarity or if this is what other people have experienced. So if you have a FLIR, try it and let me know. I'm curious because I just spent quite a bit of money, almost $100 to install this, and I wish I had taken some thermal imaging of the original bed before I had taken it apart, because even though it couldn't get up to 100, I think it was more uniform than this. Anyhow, leave your comments below, let me know what you think, and subscribe, and I'll be happy to do more 3D printer testing. I have 7 printers that we can go through, and be happy to buy more, try them out. So yeah, please hit subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to ring the bell to get notifications for upcoming videos. I have some interesting thermal imaging videos planned. Alrighty, y'all have a good day. Catch you later. And now for extra content, the Prusa MK3 heat bed. As you can see, it also has cold corners. I guess it's just a matter of the way they're designed. Anyway, have a great day. Be sure to subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so that you get notification when the next video comes out. Catch you later.